Sounds. Sounds of EMI. Hi, this is Sounds of EMI, the show that brings the week's best album releases all round Australia. And it's great to have your company again. First up today is certainly one of the most attractive gals in the biz, and I'm sure you'll recognize the distinctive vocal style of, well, see if you can guess.
Everybody's going out and having fun. I'm just a fool for staying home and having none. I can't get over how he set me free. Oh, lonesome me. A bad mistake I'm making just by hanging round. I know that I should have some fun and paint the town. Sick fool that's blind and just can't see. Oh, lonesome me. Well, I'll bet he's not like me, but he's out and fancy free, flirting with the girls with all his charm. Oh, but I still love him so, and brother, don't you know, well, I'd welcome him right back here in my arms. Well, there must be some way I can lose those lonesome blues. Forget about the past and find somebody new. I've thought of everything from A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. Well, I'll bet he's not like me, but he's out and fancy free, flirting with the girls with all his charm. Oh, but I still love him so, and brother, don't you know, well, I'd welcome him right back here in my arms. Well, there must be some way I can lose these lonesome blues. Forget about the past and find somebody new. But I've thought of everything from A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. Poor lonesome me.
An LP of country and western all-time hits from K-Star on Liberty. And for you country and western fans, believe me, this is one to get. You'll have to be slick, because this one will sell out mighty fast. Songs like My Last Date, Four Walls, Singin' the Blues, the old Guy Mitchell one, Crazy, Oh Lonesome Me. Nice support, too, by Bill Liebert and the boys. It's called Just Plain Country, K-Star. Thank you, folks. There's some more country and western we'll be featuring later on in the show. It's a real old hoedown album from Felix Slatkin. Play it later. This is Sounds of EMI, and just released this week for lovers of music of Sigmund Romberg and the Desert Song comes this fine new Capitol LP with Gordon McRae and the featured orchestra of Van Alexander. Here then is the Desert Song Overture. The Desert Song Overture and all the other great songs are here with the featured voices of Gordon MacRae and Dorothy Kirsten.
Oh, that's the sound that comes to warn you so. In the night or early morn, you know, if you're the red shadow's foe, the riffs will strike with a blow that brings your woe.
The Desert Song on Capitol, and it's in the stores this week. Sounds of EMI now presents on Capitol again, West Side Story's George Chakiris. That's the title of the album of the West Side Story Academy Award winner. Arrangements by Van Alexander and Billy May, as George Chakiris sings
Once upon a time, a girl with moonlight in her eyes put her hand in mine and said she loved me so. But that was once upon a time, very long ago. Once upon a hill, we sat beneath a willow tree, counting all the stars and waiting for the dawn. But that was once upon a time. Now the tree is gone. How the breeze ruffled through her hair. How we always laughed as though tomorrow wasn't there. We were young and didn't have a care. Where did it go? Once upon a time, the world was sweeter than we knew. Everything was ours. How happy we were then. But somehow once upon a time never comes again. Never comes again.
There he is, girls. What a beautiful song. George Chakiris. And you can buy him this week on Capitol. Just look for the record cover. Sounds of EMI. We'll wind it up this week with
One that, well, it kind of harks back to the first disc in the show.
the fantastic fiddles of Felix Slatkin with Hoedown. All aboard! How about that sound? It's available in mono and stereo on Liberty. Very attractively packaged and features all them there Fire in the Mountain songs, you know? So, ho down to your record store and give it a listen to. Felix Slatkin. The Fantastic Fiddles of Felix Slatkin. Just ask for the album of Ho Down. Well, that's about it for now. Hope you've enjoyed the show. Been a lot of fun, and we'll see you next time. Kev Goldsby, Sounds of EMI.